Okay, so this is Hannah Price. I'm working on my system accessibility feature screencast. Today I'm going to be showing my students where to find my device's accessibility features, going through the features, describing what the feature is, how to change the settings, and what use the thing provides for the students. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on settings and go to settings, place. I'm going to type in ease of access settings, okay? And this is going to pull up a whole bunch of different categories that you can change on your computer in order to have better experience when using your computer. Okay, so we're first going to start with display, which we're already on, okay? Display, make your display easier to see, make everything bigger. Okay, change the size of apps and text on the main display. So this is what we're at now, we're at 100%, but you can change it to 125. Okay, I'm going to switch that now, and that just zooms us in here, okay? So we'll zoom us in. And then we're going to make everything brighter. So we'll pull that in, that'll just make the screen brighter. I can bring it all the way down, so that will just change the brightness, okay? So I'm going to come back actually and change that back to the regular size. Just for my own usage, this is the one that I prefer. Let's see. These are all kind of personal preferences. They don't really come in with any ease of access necessarily. Yeah. Okay, next we're going to go to cursor and pointer size. So this changes the size of the cursor, as you can see here, okay? So usually people sometimes have it at a 1, but we can change it to be super huge, okay? So I pulled up a Word document. Let me just show you here. This would be like the size. Let me show you again. This is like kind of what you're probably used to seeing the size being. See that move? Sorry, it's not on the whole page. So you can see this, the regular size. And then we come over here and switch it. Let's be a little bit thicker. That's going to change the cursor to be a little bit thicker. Easier to see. Then you can also change the pointer size. So this is what we're at now, but you can change it to be larger. And then you can change the color pointer as well. And you can change it to be like negative, kind of. Do you see how that changes depending on what color you go over, etc. I'm going to change this back to my default settings, the settings that I enjoy. Come back down to my regular. And we'll keep going on. Okay, this is the magnifier. We can zoom in on parts of the display. So you can choose to zoom in on a specific part of the screen, or you can zoom in on the whole screen. And you can decide on the zoom level here. So if I was to turn this on, it automatically zoomed to 200%. Then you can either choose here to continue to zoom, or you could come back and change the zoom level here. Okay, this is going to get crazy. And we're super zoomed. Okay, we're going to try turning. Oh gosh, that was lucky. Okay, so that can help you zoom in on things and see them better. Okay. These are different things you can do if you want to slow the magnifier after a certain time, after sign in, before sign in, blah blah blah, different things like that. Okay. Then you can do different magnifier views as well. Okay. The next thing that we're going to talk about is color filters. You can turn on the color filters, and there are different things you can do. You can do the inverted color filter, grayscale. So let me just go back and show you the original. This is grayscale, grayscale inverted. Or color blindness filters are cool. This is the red-green filter. Again, let me go back, show you the regular. Green, another red-green option, blue-yellow option. Okay. So those are just some different color filters you can use. Here's another option using high contrast. We'll wait here, see if it works. Hopefully it does. So if we're waiting here, we can obviously see the extreme difference here. And you can choose these to change the high contrast colors. Okay. We'll wait here as it reverts back. Next thing that we can do is the narrator. Use narrator to read and interact with your device. Okay, so we can turn this on. And then you can also
Settings window. Use narrator. Document 1. Word window. Document 1. Editing. 0% vertically scrolled, 66% horizontally scrolled. Hello,
ooh, cool. Yeah, so you can like show them what you want to.
line deselected.
Oops.
Medical error.
Ooh.
End of line deselected.
Okay, so you can have that guy. Okay, I can't do that.
Exiting narrator.
Okay. You can choose when to start narrator. You can sync the settings. Oh, we had David on the line, but there are lots of different people I guess we can have. You can change the speed, the voice pitch, the volume, a whole bunch of different things on there. Okay, so like I said, a whole bunch of different things you can do with the narrator. Okay. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is our hearing aids. Okay, change device volume so we can, obviously change how loud our computer is going to be. We can also turn on mono audio, which combines left and right audio channels into one channel. And we can show audio alerts visually. So if you have notifications, for example, you can flash the entire screen, flash the active window, flash the title bar, things like that, instead of having the sounds go off. Closed captions is another thing you can use. Another thing you can use. You can display audio as text. So you would something like that. You can change the color, transparency, style, size, effects, caption background color, transparency. We can just kind of look at some of these. A whole bunch of different options here. Said, yeah, lots of different styles, sizes, effects. You can add text background to improve contrast, make text easier to read. A whole bunch of different things to help with that. Then interaction, let's see what we have here. You can talk instead of type. You can press the Windows logo key and H to start dictation. So you can do that anytime if you can't type or if you just want to use it. You can use Cortana, which is something that they put in this specifically. Then you can turn on speech recognition if you'd like to do that as well. And then with the keyboard, you can put a keyboard on the screen if you'd rather have that instead of using the keyboard down below. So just for example, we have this document here. I would be able to type opposed to like physically connected to my computer. Sticky keys, press 1 key at a time for keyboards, shortcuts, don't really like that. Toggle keys, play sound whenever you press caps, don't really like that. Filter keys, lots of things with the keyboard, mouse, things there, eye control. You need to get a supported eye tracking device, but that's pretty cool. Anyway, those are some ease of access settings that you can use in order to better accommodate your own computer device to yourself. And that's all I have to say about that.